right, there it goes. Mr. Sala. Mr. Sala, what case are you on?
Micon, show cause for non-payment of support.
Yep, I got it. All right. Mr. Micon, you want to come up to the podium? And grab the paperwork. Okay, so Mr. Sala, is your client with you?
She is. She's here in the courtroom.
Okay, Mr. Rutledge, I'm just gonna pop you in the waiting room and I'll bring you right back in, okay? All right, so this is in the matter of Christopher Micon versus Audra Micon, file number 23-51322DM. Do you have an attorney here today?
Mr. Fry.
So you have Brian Fry as your attorney? Okay, I'm sorry. Is he on this one too?
He should be on this one.
Okay, so Mr. Sala, we're gonna have to wait a minute until we can get Mr. Fry, okay?
Okay.
All right, so just have a seat back where you were, Mr. Micon. Okay, in the matter of Dorinda Williams versus Timothy Williams, file number 1990-12245DM. That matter has been adjourned to August 11. In the matter of Tiffany Aceves versus Dennis Handshoe, file number 2009-33817DS. That matter has been adjourned to September 8 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Kayla Forrest versus Blake Rinke, file number 2010-35508 DP. That matter has been adjourned to September 8 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Darren Pfeiffer versus Shelley Pfeiffer, file number 2016-43166DM. That matter has been adjourned to August 11 at 8 a.m. In the matter of Kendra Six versus Kent Schroeder, file number 2018-45507DC. That matter has been adjourned to September 29. Mr. Gutierrez, so let me bring him in. Mr. Gutierrez, could you unmute your device and start your audio, please?
That work?
That worked. All right, in the matter of Marissa Clark versus Jason Gutierrez, file number 2019-46960UN. Your case has been dismissed. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. In the matter of Jennifer Baker versus Lucas Rutledge, file number 20-47954UN. Mr. Rutledge, your case has been adjourned to August 11 at 8 a.m. All right.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Rutledge.
Thanks.
And, so, Mr. Holtz, you want to come on up? I think you're on Holtz, are you not, Miss Underwood?
Yes. Holt and Doobie, and then I believe you have a pickup.
Oh, okay. So this is in the matter of Sarah Holtz versus Timothy Holtz, file number 2008-33341 DM. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Holtz. This is the date and time set for a review. So it looks like at the time we did the show cause in September of 24, his arrearage was $6,932. As of today, it's $5,246. This is his 9th show cause. We've had one payment since our last show cause hearing date. We got $1,678.46 back on June 13. So we did receive a workman's comp payout, which has reduced his child support, but he has failed to make his $100 a month direct payments, because this is arrears only, to front of the court towards the balance as ordered by the court. Prior to that, he's only made one $50 payment. So Mr. Holtz, do you have money to pay today?
How much do I need to pay today?
You're supposed to pay $100 a month. It's $25 a week. You can pick up pop bottles and do that.
I just
You're
got back
on.
to work.
Hold on. Okay, so Ms. Underwood, your client says he's back to work and employed now. Can I ask him where it is?
Sure.
All right, where are you working at?
Hardy Farms.
Speak up.
Hardy Farms.
Oh, you're working for Greg Hardy? All right, you're getting a paycheck and they're taking taxes out. All right, so he's working for Hardy Farms over in Tipton. So your caseworker is Mr. Vasquez. And so Mr. Vasquez, can we set up an income withholding?
Yes, Your Honor, as long as he's not 1099, yep.
Say that again.
As long as he's not 1099, yep, no problem.
You're not a 1099? No, he's not. All right, and
Please speak up.
when did you go back to work?
Just last week.
Just last week. Okay. So until it starts coming out of your check, do you get paid weekly, bi-weekly?
Bi-weekly.
Bi-weekly. So until it starts, like your next paycheck, if it didn't come out, you need to pay $50
Yes, ma'am.
in person or online.
Okay.
All right. So every paycheck, $50. And then once it starts coming out of your paycheck, you don't have to make it in person or online anymore.
Okay.
I'm going to adjourn this out to September 29 to monitor payments and just making sure we're getting them. If we are, we'll dismiss. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
He has a second case.
Oh, yeah, you got another case too. I'm sorry. Hold on, let me get to that one. That one's charging though, right? There it is. All right, so this one is a monthly charging case. Well, in the matter of Whitney Holtz versus Timothy Holtz, file number 24-51596DM. And on that case, let's see, the show cause started back on May 12th. You have an arrearage of $6,411.50. When it started, today it's only $19.28. Looks like we got from your workers' comp $3,560 back on June 13. And your monthly charge is $778. Did you okay. So a couple things, you're gonna need to make a payment through, and what I will tell you is I don't know how much you're gonna make there, but if you don't make enough that they can take out the full amount, you still gotta make the full amount online. So if they can only take out like 500 a month, you're gonna have to pay the other $378. Do you understand that? But what I would advise to you, like, again, I don't know, are you milking there? What are you doing there? What are you doing? Huh?
Drive truck.
So you're making pretty good money. Okay, if you're not, if you think you need a income review, you can set that up in front of the court.
Okay.
Okay? And I guess he doesn't have dairy cows there, does he? So all right, I'll set this one over for September 29th as well. All right.
Thank you.
Anything else, Mr. Vasquez?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
All right, we'll see you back on that day. Thank you. All right, now I have Mr. Fry. Mr. Micon, you want to come upstairs or come up front? I'll come upstairs. And Mr. Sala. Thank you, Mr. Micon. Find the paperwork. All right, so this is again in the matter of Christopher Micon versus Audra Micon, file number 23-51322DM. I have Brian Fry appearing on behalf of Mr. Micon, and I have Stanley Sala appearing on behalf of Audra Micon. This is the date of a show cause that originated on June 9 of 2025. The arrearages at the time of the show cause were $13,558. And as of today's date, they are $14,931. We have not yet received any payments on this case. So Mr. Fry, the friend of the court, is asking for employer information and address updated information. Although if we need an address update, I can send it down to front of the court to do that. So are you employed right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you at?
I work at Cabinet Works Group,
Okay, how long have you been there?
2.5 years.
Okay, have okay, are they taking it out of your check yet?
No, ma'am. I did make payment on my last paycheck,
Okay, when did you do that?
last Friday.
Last Friday, and how much did you pay?
The bi-weekly amount, I think it was $700.
Okay, okay. All right, so that'll take a little bit of time to get to your client, Mr. Sala, obviously, because they got to process it. So any information, Ms. Knizel?
Was that payment paid online, Your Honor?
Online? Yes.
Yes,
It's not showing on our system yet.
Okay, so make that payment online until it starts coming out of your check, okay?
yes, ma'am.
If for some reason they don't take the full amount out, you're gonna have to make sure you make up that balance, and then you need to be paying on the arrearage too. Okay, we'll probably seize your taxes too, so. All right,
Your Honor,
yes,
could I have that employer repeated?
Cabinet Works Group.
where's that at?
It is 20,000 Victor Parkway, Livonia.
And you're still on Springville Highway?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, his address is current. All right, anything else, Mr. Sala or Mr. Fry?
Not today, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Thank you.
Please forget Colt's history files. All right, you had Doobie as well, Miss Underwood?
I believe I have Mr. Doobie. He might be there in the
He's
courtroom.
right here. He's right here. Mr. Doobie, you want to come up? Do you want to come up too? Yeah. You got to come up here though. If you're gonna talk, you gotta be on the record, so I'm sorry. So go have a seat over there because you're Faith Star double, so you have a right to be part of the hearing. All right, so this is in the matter of Faith Star double versus Austin James Doobie, file number 22-49172DS. I have Rhonda Underwood appearing on behalf of Mr. Doobie. In this case, I'm gonna sneeze. We have a monthly charge of $600. We have an arrearage today of $20,967. And we got $10 back on August 2nd of 23. So Ms. Double, pull that microphone towards you. Looks like you got some sun this weekend.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and what did you want to say to the court?
Okay, so this doesn't really have, well, it has something to do with our case with kids. It does not have to do with child support. So the reason why I came in today was because I want to ask, the girl that was here with him last time, she attacked me in the Taco Bell drive-through after I sat there and was working 12 hours. She beat her son up across the street at the Sicko gas station and beat him up. And I have photos of where she physically beat him up. And I want to ask the courts that she not ever be around my kids and that she not ever come to any more of his court dates.
Okay,
So to see the pictures.
So I can't do that here. Okay, Mr. Doobie, do you agree to that?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I would tell you two to do, I think the front of the court enforcement officer could probably do a stipend order with them on that. Is that correct, Ms. Kenizel?
No, we can only do that on support issues.
Okay, I've seen custody stuff on there before, so I thought you
We
could.
used to be able to.
Okay, so one of the things you could do is you could go to the court clerk's office and ask for a blank ex parte order in motion. And so you could do it here, fill out the ex parte motion that, and you put down the facts. And then you guys can both sign it and they'll give you a blank order and you can send the order over on your file and they should be able to help you down at the clerk's office.
So if we both sign it, then,
So an ex parte order is just a request for me to sign an order, but if you both sign it, I'm more likely to sign it, right? So if you two wanted to, when you're done with this hearing, go down to the clerk's office, ask them for an ex parte motion and an order in your custody file. They have blank ones there and you guys can sit down and fill it out and then they'll submit it to me and I can sign it.
okay, thank you. That's what I wanted. I
I can't stop her from going to the courthouse.
just don't think that she
Right.
should be at our court date.
So here's the problem with that. The courthouse by law is supposed to be open to the public, right?
Okay,
The other thing you could do is do a PPO
well,
request.
the thing, I pressed charges against her.
Okay,
Because she busted me in my lip. I got a fat lip out of it. It's like bruised, it was bruised
okay.
down here.
So if there are criminal charges, there'll be a no contact and she won't be able to do that. But understand, I can't stop people from coming to the courthouse because by law, we have to be open to the public. But if she were to show up for a court proceeding, my bailiff would obviously make sure that you exit the building safely before she does, things like that. We would,
Okay, but
we would do
Like if
things.
she tries to show up at another one of his court dates for the kids.
So
like-
if she walks into the courtroom and sits down right now, there's nothing I can do. Unless you had a PPO or something like that, or a no contact order.
Oh, I definitely plan on getting a. PPO.
Right, so if there's criminal charges and a no contact order, then she wouldn't be able to come in here, because
Okay.
it wouldn't be her case, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but just in general, I can't stop anybody from entering the courthouse,
Okay.
okay? All right, so now we're back to the show cause on child support. So, Mr. Doobie, you are represented by Miss Underwood. Miss Underwood, have you had a chance to speak with Mr. Doobie?
Not today, Your Honor.
Okay, are you employed?
I have 2 interviews today that I'm waiting to go to right after this.
Speak up.
Oh, I have 2 interviews today, one at KMB Asphalt, and then the other one, I'm going to Manpower today, and then I have, I'm waiting for, Walmart to call me back for an interview, Rally's to call me back for an interview in KFC, but I've been putting ads in everywhere.
All right, so, ma'am, do you want to give him an opportunity to get that employment? Like a couple weeks adjournment to see if he got a job?
I'll do a month,
You do a month?
but
I know.
that's
okay.
it.
Okay, all right, so what I will do is I will adjourn this out to, my next available date is September 29. No, wait, August, so we gotta do August. How about August 11? I'll put it out to August 11. Mr. Doobie, you know, you're probably heading to jail here pretty soon for not making payments. So I don't care if you gotta get 2 jobs, 1 job, whatever. You gotta have a job by the time you come back. When you start that job, make sure the friend of the court knows who your employer is, because they'll do a income withholding. And then understand your child support is $600 a month. You need to pay like $650 a month going towards your arrearages. And so if you get paid every week and they didn't take it out, you pay it here in person or online. You get paid bi-weekly. If they didn't take it out, you make that 2-week payment online or in person, okay? Right, so you're very fortunate. She's willing to adjourn this for you, and we will see you back on August 11 at 8 a.m. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. And just go down to the clerk's office and ask for a motion and order for show cause, or for ex parte motion and order. All right? Thank you. Okay. Ms. Underwood, who is your next one?
I believe there's a pickup, Your Honor.
Maybe.
That's what I just brought out,
Yeah.
Judge.
Did you?
Paperwork
it?
to your right.
Oh, yep. All right. Did you call the jail already or?
I did not. I can do that right now.
Douglas Robeson.
I think he goes, hey, this is Judge Anslone. I heard you got a pickup, Douglas Robinson.
What did you say now?
Douglas Robinson, a pickup?
You ready for him?
I am.
All right, we'll throw him in the room for you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye. Okay, so what is your name?
Aaron Court.
What, spell your last name?
COURT.
Miss Kenizo, Aaron, Aaron, Cord, C-O-R-D.
COURT.
T, Court. Okay, I missed that. Where are you? I thought I saw something. No, I don't. Maybe I'll see it on the document?
No.
No? So C-O-U-R-T, Miss Kenizo.
I'm gonna need to check on that one.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
All right. Who's your caseworker?
Honestly, I couldn't tell you to be honest.
Okay. All
Your Honor,
right.
Aaron
Mr.
Court,
Vasquez?
Aaron Court was dismissed, Your Honor.
Oh, it was dismissed.
I tried to call, but nobody.
It's okay. Sometimes call the clerk's office or my office.
Okay,
We know by late Fridays usually.
so next one is.
It's dismissed.
You're done.
So as long as you're making your payments and doing what you need to do, you won't have to come see me anymore.
Awesome.
Thank you. Bye. All right. Let's do Gabriel. Oh, I got the jail. Okay, so in the matter of Patrick Stoddard versus Melissa Gabriel. This is the date and time set for a show cause and file number 2014-40125 DS. Ms. Gabriel has failed to appear. And issue a bench warrant for failure to appear, set bond in the amount of $1,851. All right, do you go by Robinson or Robeson?
Robinson.
Robinson, okay. So let me get the paperwork. So in the matter of Candace Grisham versus Douglas Lee Robinson, file number 17-44257 UE. This is the date and time set for a show cause. This paperwork looks different. Let me see if I can find. I don't have the cover sheet I usually have, so give me a minute. So it looks like you failed to appear. I don't know what date that was. Oh, here we go, maybe. So there was a show cause on April 10 of 2025. You had an arrearage $12,540. I think this is, as of today's date, you have an arrearage of $12,762. The last payment we received was $141.42 on November 15 of 2023. You were ordered to pay your base support and a monthly payment on your arrearage. Your monthly charge is only, well, it's $222. You have 3 prior contempts. There have been 4 payments since October of 2021. 6 show cause hearing and 3 bench warrants. Mr. Robinson, because you have 3 or more prior show causes, if you plead guilty or found guilty of failure to pay child support, you could be facing up to 90 days in jail, as well as 90 days on the contempt of court for failure to appear, because it is a crime to fail to pay child support or to appear in court when you're ordered to do so. Mr. Robinson, you do have a right to have an attorney represent you here in all subsequent offenses. If you can't afford to hire one, we will appoint you one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna need you to speak up pretty loud for me because that room kind of has bad audio, so you'll need to scoot up and just make sure you speak louder. I'm gonna open up a breakout room and place you and Miss Underwood into that breakout room. Go ahead and join the breakout room. Does he have anything else?
Yeah.
And he got picked up on.
He's got a new hire and also an officer and a bench warrant over this.
Okay. Well, I'm not his biggest concern. Tanya Nash. All right, Miss Nash, if you can start your audio and your video, please. All right, this is in the matter of Justin Nash versus Tanya Nash, file number 23-50391DM. Miss Nash is present via Zoom. So, Miss Nash, we are here on an adjourned show cause. It looks like it originally started back on July 14 of 24, and we've been working with you since then. Your arrearage at the time of the initial show cause was $4,222. And as of today's date, it is $9,580. So ma'am, you have reached the felony level at which the Attorney General's office can charge you with the 4-year felony. I will tell you, they will take you into custody until you pay 20% of that. They will not release you. This is your 6th show cause. And the last payment we received was $60 on April 17 of 2025. On May 5th of 25, you're present and you said you were employed and we were waiting for income withholding to start. We have not received any payments since then. So, Ms. Nash, are you currently employed?
Yes, I actually just got the recent, we did an income review with the referee as well, so it did get dropped. And I just received a new income withholding form, so they should be withholding it from my checks.
Where are you working at?
The Department of Aging through Champs.
Okay, and how much did they reduce your child support to?
I believe I don't have the papers in front of me, but it was significant, about 200 and something a month, I believe.
Ms. Canizo, can you see that by any
Unless
chance?
that was the rearages.
One moment.
Hold on. Good job. That's a nice place to work.
It is. I gotta pick up more clients or pick up a second job. I actually had a something set up with Taco Bell as well, and then they delayed it because they were full on their schedule for the calendar for booking, or I'm sorry, training. So we're waiting for a new date for that.
Okay. Ms. Canizo, did you find anything?
I'm getting there. I'm sorry. I had a computer issue.
Yeah, my income was, they were going off of my old income from Worthington Industries at the steel factory from a while back, and it's taken quite a while to get my income review through. So we finally did get it done, so I'm happy that got taken care of.
Ms. Underwood, do you represent Ms. Nash?
It looks like the monthly charge is $370.
Okay, so it got reduced to $370. All right, Ms. Nash, every paycheck you get paid weekly or bi-weekly?
I get paid monthly. That's the crappy thing about it.
Okay, so when you get paid, look at your paycheck. They didn't take that out. You need to make that payment in person or online. Do you understand?
Yep, absolutely.
So are you at 1099?
Technically, I believe I'm not a 1099, but I'm not exactly sure.
Okay, so if they don't take that out, you have to make that payment in person or online, okay?
Yep, I will start to do that. Absolutely.
Okay, otherwise, you are at the felony level, so you really need to get this paid down. I'm gonna adjourn this out to August 11 to see if we're getting payments. So August 11 at 8 AM, all right?
Okay.
All
Thank
right,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. You have a nice day.
You too. Mr. Robinson, and Miss Underwood, how do you want to proceed?
Your Honor, Mr. Robinson also has felony larceny warrant that he was picked up on, Your Honor, and there are probably also going to be resisting and obstructing charges.
That is a misdemeanor larceny.
I don't understand what you said.
I understand it's a misdemeanor larceny.
Okay,
So,
Miss Canizo, he's in custody on some criminal matters. That's how he got picked up. Do you want to adjourn this out like 6 weeks to
Yeah.
see what happens with this criminal stuff, Miss
yeah,
Canizo?
That would be fine with the friend of the court.
All right, we'll set this out to September 29th to see what happens with you, Mr. Robinson, at 8 AM, okay?
and
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, could he have a PR on that in case he gets out, and he can pay, he said $200 if he gets out.
I'll set his bond at 500. That's at the request of friend of the court. He owes $26,000, so I'll set his bond at
I'm not
500.
gonna be able to pay that. You can just save it. I don't need a bond. I'm not gonna be able to pay that.
Okay, well, your bond's 500. Thank you. You're all set. You might be on probation too, so, all right, in the matter of Margaret Costello versus John Costello, file number 23-50529 DM, that's been dismissed. I don't know if I said that before. I have,
I believe that concludes my docket with you this morning, Your Honor.
all right, thank you.
Thank you.
I have paperwork for Paris Ibarra,
As I do too.
but she's not on my docket, so. I guess we'll have to really notice that. All right, in the matter of Abigail Craig versus Michael Madrid, file number 20-47630 DS. Isn't he in jail right now?
I don't.
I thought he was in jail. File number 20-47630 DS. This is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Madrid's ordered to pay $342 a month in child support. As of today's date, his arrearage is $18,169.50. He has multiple show causes. Last payment we got was $300 on May 9. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant for his arrest. And I'm going to set bond and the amount of $6,000 cash. In the matter of Alicia Miller versus Eladio Martinez. Okay. File number 22-49615. Yes. This is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Martinez is ordered to pay $707 a month in child support. He has an arrearage of $7,251.56. Last payment we received was $1,141 on March 12th. Had no contact recently and no payments. The issue of bench warrant for his arrest. And I'm gonna set bond in the amount of 3,000 cash. And I do believe that concludes our friend of court show cause docket. So,
Thank you, Your
Thank you
Honor.
all.
Thank you,
Thank
Judge.
you.
bye.
Bye-bye.